Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the iconic main riff from Satisfaction by the Rolling Stones. This riff is instantly recognizable and surprisingly simple once you get the hang of it. We'll focus on the correct fingering and picking technique to capture that classic sound. Pay close attention to the rhythm and the distinct fuzz effect. Now, let's move on to the verse sections of the song. The chords are straightforward: E, A, and B7. Focus on clean transitions between these shapes. The strumming pattern is a consistent down-up motion, keeping the rhythm solid. Remember to let each chord ring out clearly before moving to the next one. Next, we'll tackle the pre-chorus, which introduces C and G chords, building tension before the main hook. The chorus then brings back that unforgettable main riff we learned earlier. It's all about building and releasing energy. Practice these sections together to feel the song's natural flow and progression. Finally, let's put it all together. Satisfaction has a clear verse-chorus structure, making it easy to follow. Practice with a metronome to keep your timing precise. Listening to the original track will help you internalize the feel and nuances. Don't forget to experiment with a fuzz pedal to get that authentic sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.